This is the story of a stickman who had nothing special. No talent, no shortcuts, no support. Just a simple figure with a simple dream. Everywhere he went, people doubted him. They said, "You are too slow. You are not good enough. You will never make it." And for a long time, he believed them. He tried and failed. He tried again and failed again. Each failure felt heavier, each fall hurt more than before. Many nights, he sat alone, questioning himself. Why am I even trying? Is this worth the pain? And one night, when quitting felt easier than continuing, he realized something. Quitting would end the pain, but it would also end the dream. So he made a decision. Not to be the best. Not to be the fastest. But to be consistent. He promised himself to show up every single day. Even on days with no motivation. Even on days with no results. Slowly, very slowly, things began to change. His steps became stronger. His mind became calmer. His failures became lessons. People still laughed, but it didn't matter anymore. Because he was no longer walking for their approval. He was walking for himself. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. And without realizing it, the same stickman, who was once ignored, was now respected, not because he was perfect, but because he never stopped. Remember this: you don't need talent, you don't need luck, you need patience, you need consistency, and most importantly, you need to keep going, even when no one is watching. Because slow progress is still progress. And one day,